Beautiful good morning, my dears. Welcome back to Maths online class. In the previous class, we had started decimals. Today, we will continue that chapter only, additions, subtraction of the decimals. So, everyone open your textbook page number 98, decimals, addition. Today, we have to discuss decimals addition. First Roman add. Look here children, here first one, point 1, point 3. When we add decimal numbers, same as like add whole numbers. Point 1, point 3. We must put the point same as the place. After adding, we must put the point same as the place. 3 plus 1, 4. Put the point same as it is. Next, second one. Left side onwards we have to add 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. Dear children, when we write in decimals numbers, write in order. Point same place we have to write, after that we have to add it. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 plus 3, 11. 116.86. After point, we have to read single digits. 8, 6. Don't read 86. Next, third one. 12.13, 15.22, 19.31. Write in, arrange this all in decimal value wise. Points all are equal places. Then add it. One's place onwards we have to add it. 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. Next, 3 plus 3, 6. Put the point appropriate place. Next, 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. Next, 4. 46.66. Next, fourth one. 34.21, 18.26, 46.32. Arrange these all after, add it. 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. Put the point appropriate place same as like that. Next, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. 1 right up, 8 right down. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Read this decimal number as 98.79. Now problem solvings. First one, Rosie was 146.8 centimeters tall on her last birthday. She has grown 5.2 centimeters. How tall is she now? Last year her height is 146.8 centimeters. She has grown 5.2 centimeters. They are asking how much tall she grown. So when we add these two measurements, we get present her tall. Okay? Rosie was 146.8 tall on her last birthday. She has grown 5.2 centimeters. What is she's present weight? Present height. Height. Now write in steps. Number of centimeters Rosie tall on her last birthday. Rosie is in her last birthday 146.8 centimeters. She has grown 5.2 centimeters. Now, how tall she is now? So, when we add last year's height and grown. Now add it. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, 10. So 1 right up, 0 right down. Keep the point appropriate place. Next 6 plus 6, 12 right here, 2. And remaining these 2 places are keep zeros. Very easy to adding. Without these zeros you have to confusion. So keep these 2 places 0. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 plus 0, 1. So, therefore, present height is, Rosie's present height is how much? 152.0 centimeters. Okay, 152.0 centimeters or 152 centimeters. Okay. Second one. My mother purchased 7.1 kg of sugar, 3.3 kg of pulses and 6.2 kg of wheat. How much weight he had to carry all together? Here asking all together. So what we do next? We have to addition all these purchased things. Okay. My mother purchased 7.1 kg of sugar, 3.3 kg of pulses and 6.2 kg of wheat. How much weight had she to carry together? Here together means add. So sugar, how much sugar she was by? 7.1 kgs, pulses 3.3 kgs, wheat 6.2 kgs, 6.2 kgs. Okay, then write in order 7.1, 3.3, 6.2. So here asking all together, so we have to add here. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Put the point same appropriate place. Okay, as it is. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 6, 16. 16.6. So, she carry all together. She carry all together 16.6 kgs. 16.6 kgs. Everyone open your textbook page number 99. Decimal subtraction. Decimal subtraction is just similar to ordinary subtraction of whole numbers. First one, 0.8 minus 0.5. Subtract first whole number. How do we subtract whole numbers? That like only this one also. Subtract 8 minus 5, 3. Keep the point same place. Appropriate place. Next, 0.48 minus 0.25. 8 minus 5, 3, 4 minus 2, 2. Keep the point appropriate place. Next, third one, 98.7 minus 76.5. Keep point same place of. Okay, 7 minus 5, 2. 0.8 minus 6, 2. 9 minus 7, 2. 22.2. Difference is 22.2. Fourth one, 73.65 minus 37.22. 5 minus 2, 3. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 is smaller than 7. So, take borrow to before number. 3 become 13. 7 becomes 6. 13 minus 7, 6. 6 minus 3, 3. The difference is 36.43. Next, solve the problems. First one is a rope is 2 meters long. A piece measuring 0.5 is cut off. How much remains? A rope is 2 meters long. A piece measuring 0.5 is cut off. How much remains? How much remains? Total number of rope is 2 meters. 0.5 meters only cut off. So, how much remains? We have to do here subtraction. First write steps. Number of meters of rope length is 2 meters. Number of meters piece cut off is 0.5 meters. So 2.00. Put 0, fill up this gap. Next 0.5. Put the 0 here, fill up this gap. The 0 is the right side number, can be omitted. This is not affect the value. So, no, don't worry. Now subtract. 0 minus 0, 0. Take the borrow to before number. 0 become 10, 2 become 1. 10 minus 5, 5.1. So, how much remain? 1.50 meters. Rope is remain. So, arrange this given measurements in order. Put the 0, fill this gap. Here, put the 0, fill this gap. This is not effect of this subtraction. Okay? This is not effect of this subtraction. So, we have to fill up this gap zeros. Only right hand can be omitted. Okay? So, 1.50 meters rope is remain. Second one. We require 90.75 kg of sugar for our sister's marriage. We purchase only 75.5 kg of sugar. How much more sugar should we purchase for the purpose? Here, required sugar is 95.75 kg. Then, we have to purchase only 75.5 kg. So, how much should we purchase for the purpose? First, we should write steps. Number of kgs sugar required 90.75 kgs. We purchase only 75.5 kgs. So, how much more sugar should we purchase for the purpose? So, now we have to subtract 90.75 kgs minus we purchase only 75.5. Here, we keep 0. Put the 0, fill up this gap. Okay? Now subtract. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. Take borrow to before number. 9 become 8. 0 become 10. 10 minus 5. 8 minus 7, 1. So, we should purchase 15 kgs to 5 grams sugar. So, we purchase 15.25 kgs sugar. Okay? Write your textbook everybody and notebook also.